This is an actual Regent question from the August 2016 Algebra 1 Regent is question number 28 on the topic of polynomials. The question is asking, when multiplying polynomials for a math assignment, Pat found the product to be negative 4x plus 8x squared minus 3x cubed plus 5. You then have to state the leading coefficient of this polynomial. Pat wrote down negative 4. Do you agree with Pat's answer and explain your reasoning? So let's see what Pat's polynomial was. Negative 4x plus 8x squared minus 2x cubed plus 5. Now the leading coefficient of a polynomial is the coefficient of the term with the highest exponent. So in this case, in Pat's case, the term with the highest exponent is this term over here. The x cubed is the highest exponent, so the coefficient of this term would be minus 2, and that is the leading coefficient. The question is, how come Pat chose the negative 4? Pat chose the negative 4 because leading coefficient means the first coefficient. Pat chose the first coefficient, which is minus 4. But what Pat didn't do was, he didn't arrange his polynomial in standard form. When a polynomial is in standard form, its exponents are in order from greatest to least. So let's rewrite Pat's polynomial in standard form. Negative 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 4x plus 5. Once the polynomial is in standard form, then the leading coefficient is the first coefficient. But when the polynomial is not in standard form, when the exponents are not in order from greatest to least, then the leading coefficient is not the first coefficient. Therefore, we do not agree with Pat's reasoning. Pat is incorrect. Pat is incorrect because he did not write his polynomial in standard form before he looked to see what the leading coefficient was.